Hello viewers, welcome to the Law Office of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Courtney Berry from the Law Office of Brian Fagan, and today we'll be discussing behaviors that indicate a spouse is hiding assets during a divorce. Detecting hidden assets can be critical for ensuring a fair settlement. Let's explore the warning signs and what you can do about them. One of the first indicators that a spouse might be hiding assets is sudden unexplained financial changes. This could include withdrawing large sums of money, transferring funds to unknown accounts, or making unusual purchases. If your spouse's financial behavior changes significantly without reasonable explanation, it may be a red flag. A spouse who is hiding assets often becomes secretive about financial matters. They might refuse to share information about bank accounts, investments, or debts. Password protecting financial documents, changing passwords frequently, or insisting on handling all financial transactions alone are all behaviors to watch out for. If your spouse owns a business, they might manipulate business finances to hide assets. This could include delaying invoicing until after the divorce, creating fake expenses, or underreporting income. Pay close attention to any sudden changes in businesses' financial statements or operations. Another common tactic for hiding assets is transferring them to friends or family members. This can be done through gifts, loans, or sales of property at below market value. If you notice assets disappearing or being moved to people close to your spouse, it could be a sign of asset concealment. Spouses might also attempt to undervalue or overvalue assets to distort their true worth. For instance, they could undervalue valuable collectibles, art, or jewelry, or overstate debts and liabilities. It's important to get professional appraisals for all significant assets to ensure accurate valuation. Setting up hidden bank accounts or using offshore accounts is another strategy used to conceal assets. These accounts might not be disclosed during the divorce proceedings unless you specifically request for their identification. Be vigilant about unexplained deposits or withdrawals that could be linked to hidden accounts. A spouse hiding assets might try to inflate their debt to reduce their net worth. This can involve fabricating debts or exaggerating existing ones. Scrutinize all claims of debt carefully and request supporting documentation for any significant liabilities. Refusal to provide financial documents or delaying the submission of financial information can be a tactic to frustrate the discovery process. If your spouse is not forthcoming with their financial records, it could be an attempt to hide assets. Recognizing these behaviors is the first step in addressing the issue of hidden assets during a divorce. If you suspect your spouse is hiding assets, it's critical for you to work with an experienced family law attorney and possibly a forensic accountant to uncover these truths. Ensuring a fair division of assets requires diligence and professional assistance. Thank you for joining us for this discussion on behaviors indicating a spouse is hiding assets during a divorce. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more legal insights. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Take care and stay informed.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.